Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Sonja and today's video is my front porch summer decorate with me for 2024. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I did a couple different things from last year and I'm excited to share it all with you. So as always, I start with a clean slate. I did go ahead and clean this up, most of it ahead of time, so that way I'm not taking you along while I'm sweeping and wiping and all of that stuff, as I did that in springtime. But here is what I'm working with. My front porch is L-shaped and I have this side and then I also have the front of my door. And here are some of the items that I'm going to be pulling from for decorating. So I have this hanging basket box that I had DIY'd on my DIY channel, as well as the Canadian flag. Since we're so close to Canada Day, I thought that would be nice to put up. I also bought this citronella candle at Dollarama and I loved the look of it. I have Hooray You're Here doormat from Hobby Lobby, as well as that pattern doormat as well is from Hobby Lobby. Some pillow covers from Temu, two wreaths that I DIY'd, and then just some assortment of decor, the pillow cases, and then I have a couple different lanterns, and also this wash bucket that I had gotten off of a friend, and then a couple things for that basket, the hanging basket to add to, and maybe a few other pieces that I might use it up. I also have two palms that I got, as well as a fern that I'm going to be adding to my front porch. So I'm going to be starting over on this side, and I'm going to be adding my pops of yellow in this area. So I'm going to use this lantern that came from Home Sense. I'm also going to be adding my candle here. I absolutely love the way these candles look this year. I think they're so pretty, and they're better to be used in the covered porch, because if you leave it out in the open and it rains, it will get the tin will get rusty. So on this porch should work quite well. And then I also have these pillows that I had for a while, and I got these at, I want to say Home Depot, but it could have been Lowe's as well. I use this front porch for my morning coffee sometimes on the weekends, but a lot of the times we sit out here at the end of the day. And use the back porch for morning coffee. But, once in a while, especially if it's raining, it's nice to have a place where you can sit and it's covered. Now I'm going to move on to the front of the porch. I'm going to remove these pots. I use these pots as inserts for my winter and Christmas decorating pots, as well as spring, and I'm going to be adding my palms, and these fit quite well. Now I got these palms at a grocery store. They were originally $30, but they were on clear out for half price, so I was quite happy that I have waited until now to decorate my front porch. I'm decorating this front porch a bit later than usual, just because with the timing, it's the way it worked out. But so I was quite happy when everything was on clearance now. I was originally thinking about adding some artificial palms in here, and I might maybe get those at the end of the season if they have them on clear out. I just wasn't sure which ones to get and what size to go with. And I'm adding the Canada sign just because we are about 2 weeks away from Canada Day, so I thought that would be nice to have here instead of switching out again in 2 weeks for Canada Day. And this pillowcase, it's a truck with lemons, and this came from Temu last year. I will try and link it in the description box. I'm not sure if they still have it, but if they do, I will link it down below. And the rocking chair I've had now for several years. I had thrifted it and then I painted it, and I've been using it ever since. And at the beginning I used to put it away in wintertime, but now I just leave it all year round, and it has held up pretty good. I've been decorating with this rug and doormat for a while. This for my spring and summer season. I absolutely love the way this looks. I think all the different textures just soften up the front porch and makes it feel very cozy and welcoming. And both of these items came from Hobby Lobby. I've been using this wash basin on and off. I like how vintage or antique it looks. I'm pretty sure it's not that antique, but I just love the way it looks, and it kind of ties in my look on the inside as well. And I love the way the fern looks inside of it. I often would have to elevate it here just to raise it up a little bit. So you saw me add the stone into it just to raise it up a little bit. And these are hanging baskets, and I just leave them in it and pop the hanging part off. And this was on half price as well. It was $11.
Waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder about you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but
I was on the lookout for some new wreaths for the store this year, but I just haven't found any that I like. If I do find them, I might switch them up. I will probably share that on Instagram if that happens. But for now, my DIY wreaths will have to do, and I do love them. I think they're very pretty and very summery, but I was just looking for something new, something different for this year.
Hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. My body's waiting for you. I know your body's been waiting too. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind.
So I've been decorating in this box for a couple of years now. I was on a hunt for a hanging basket like this, but I could not find one. I was looking at thrift stores. I wasn't looking for a brand new one. So if I ever find one, I might replace this, but I think this is a pretty good replacement for that basket until I find one. And I like to add some droopy greenery, kind of cascading down. I just love that look. But these were all tangled up, so it took me a little while to get them all untangled.
Coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, when I look deep into your eyes, when I'll be coming home, and I am on my way. When I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm followed by your light. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, oh, when I look deep into your eyes.
And here is how that looks, and I just love it. And you can even switch out flowers if you wanted to keep it for different seasons. And now I'm going to add my palm onto this spot. I have had these spots for a very long time. They came from HomeSense, and they need to be sprayed because they are kind of looking a little rusty again. But here is the complete look. I did add a lantern off camera. I'm going to be needing to water these, especially this coming week, because we are having extreme heat, up to 40, I think, for one day. So these are going to need a lot of watering. So here is how my front porch looks all together. I am very happy. I think it's very bright and welcoming and inviting. Let me know what you guys think. And I will probably be adding a little flags all over the place for when the Canada Day actually does come. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. And make sure you stay tuned, because I will be sharing my home tour next in a couple of days. And I'm very, very excited to do that, as I'm very pleased with how everything turned out on the inside. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And thank you all so much for watching.